Good evening to all of you. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, and you are joining too late, but I hope you will enjoy these sessions. I will try to my level best, okay, so that all of you can get best. And one special guest will be also coming, and so that many resources are here, digital marketing, and actually he has a good exposure in that, and also will tell the good story also to all of you. So thank you, and all of you join. We'll take the 5 minutes join. Okay, then in between we can. Okay, you can confirm me whether you are able to hear the video properly or not. You just confirm me one thing.
Yes, sir. We can hear you and see you clearly.
Okay. Let me check another things.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You will confirm me whether you are able to hear the voice or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. We can wait for.
You're audible, sir. Audible, sir.
Voice is audible. TV voice is audible. YouTube voice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just we can take the 5 minutes to everybody join. And this is 9:37. We'll take the 9:45. Okay, 5 minutes will take. Okay, let everybody join.
न जाने कहां गायब होती जाती है। हम दिल से खिलखिलाकर मुस्कुराना ही भूल जाते हैं। हम सब खुश रहना चाहते हैं, हम सब स्वस्थ रहना चाहते हैं, हम सब चाहते हैं कि सभी हमसे प्यार करें, हमारा सम्मान करें। कोई है आप में से जो चाहता हो दुखी रहना, परेशान रहना? नहीं ना। पर छोटी छोटी बातें ही काफी होती है हमें कई दिनों के लिए परेशान कर देने की। कभी कभी तो एक छोटा सा फोन कॉल भी हमारी हंसी छीन लेता है और हमें कितना सारा तनाव दे जाता है इतने दिनों के लिए। और यही तनाव और दबे हुए इमोशन अलग अलग बीमारियां बन।
Oh, sorry, I forgot to share the screen. Now you are able to view my screen. Can you respond?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me start. Okay.
जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं
5 minutes.
हमारी मुस्कुराहट न जाने कहां गायब होती जाती है। हम दिल से खिलखिलाकर मुस्कुराना ही भूल जाते हैं। हम सब खुश रहना चाहते हैं, हम सब स्वस्थ रहना चाहते हैं, हम सब चाहते हैं कि सभी हमसे प्यार करें, हमारा सम्मान करें। कोई है आप में से जो चाहता हो दुखी रहना, परेशान रहना? नहीं ना। पर छोटी छोटी बातें ही काफी होती है हमें कई दिनों के लिए परेशान कर देने की। कभी कभी तो एक छोटा सा फोन कॉल भी हमारी हंसी छीन लेता है और हमें कितना सारा तनाव दे जाता है इतने दिनों के लिए। और यही तनाव और दबे हुए इमोशंस अलग अलग बीमारियां बनकर शरीर में प्रकट होती है। मेडिकल साइंस कहता है कि हमारी 80% बीमारियां साइकोसोमेटिक होती है। हमारी 80% बीमारियों का जड़ हमारा तनाव होता है, हमारे इमोशंस होते हैं, हमारे नेगेटिव विचारों से ही इन बीमारियों का जन्म होता है। और यही तनाव है जो लोगों को भी हमसे दूर कर देता है। और इसका एक कारण है, इसमें हमारा या आपका कोई दोष नहीं। आपके पास जो है आप वही चीज दूसरे को दे सकते हो। जो चीज आपके पास है ही नहीं वो चीज आप कहां से बांटोगे? आपका मन अगर अशांत है और तकलीफ में है, आप कहां से लोगों को खुशियां बांटोगे? आप लोगों को जाने अनजाने अशांति और तकलीफ ही बांटते फिरोगे। सबके पास अपनी अपनी परेशानियां हैं। कौन बैठा है आपकी भी परेशानियां लेने के लिए? तो अब हमें प्रॉब्लम तो पता चल गया कि तनावग्रस्त और अशांत मन ही हमारे शरीर को भी बिगाड़ता है और लोगों से हमारे रिश्तों को भी खराब करता है। अब इस प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन क्या है? इस समस्या का समाधान क्या है? इसका समाधान है द आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग फाउंडेशन का हैप्पीनेस प्रोग्राम। मैं विवेक अग्रवाल प्रोफेशन से एक सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्रामर हूं और लगभग पिछले 10 सालों से 2007 से लोगों को हैप्पीनेस प्रोग्राम के माध्यम से इस अद्भुत जीवन जीने का तरीका सिखा रहा हूं। इस कोर्स की जरूरत हम सबको इसलिए है क्योंकि आप देखो हर चीज के साथ एक मैनुअल आता है। गाड़ी खरीदो, उसके साथ एक बुक आता है, हाउ टू यूज योर कार। आप एक फोन खरीदो तो उसके साथ भी एक यूजर मैनुअल आता है, और मैनुअल के साथ आपको अपने आसपास से 10 एक्सपर्ट मिल जाते हैं जो आपको सिखा देता है कि वो फोन कैसे यूज करें। लेकिन हमारा मन, इस मन को कैसे संभाले, हमारे साथ तो कोई मैनुअल नहीं है। मैं स्कूल में हमें किसी ने सिखाया कि
Okay, good evening again to all of you. Am I audible and visible?
Yes, sir.
And sometimes
Yes,
you do respond so that it will be a little bit
Yes, sir.
and I will be able to visualize. And I want to share the reason of the story of this session. And reason is that actually these things impact in my me to conduct this type of sessions. And also today we and yesterday and today we have covered every resource in PCS Global has done experience with this session. And actually what we thought that we learning so many technical things, but there is something beyond it. Okay, so what is the, I want to share what is the story and what inspired us.
Hello, can you hear me? This is Somak here.
Yes, Somok, I am here.
Okay, let me check how many people have joined.
So for 32.
Okay, very good. So that means near about 30.
Yes.
Very good, very good.
I
So-
appreciate to all of you and for bless me at such a 9:30 it is. Okay, and definitely I try to cover within half an hour to 45 minutes. Okay, and I request to all of you to give a
1
small
minute
commitment to
time.
me to stay up to last. Okay, stay up to last, please. And hope,
Okay, look, just give me 1 minute time.
yes, you
I
will.
will hand over to you. Okay. So some of resources didn't join today, okay, because they are tired and exhausted before. Earlier they was having sessions from morning itself. Still they have joined. So I am very thanks to all of the interns here, and behalf of the PCS Global and behalf of Art of Living also, because I am also trained by Art of Living. So behalf of Guruji Sri Ravi Shankar, we all are saying thanks to you and welcome to a new family. And this family is related to Art of Living. Now you have seen Alok sir in some perspective, other perspective. Alok sir he used to become a software developer. He used to become a senior software person in industry and a senior guider in the industry. And you have seen him as a person belongs from an IT industry. So now today you are going to see him in a different perspective. He will be becoming a meditation teacher, and now he is on the process. So he will train us that how we can control our mental pressure, and then how we can manage our corporate life, how we can manage our family life, how we can manage our financial pressures. Every pressures we have to manage every day, every second we have to manage, because and even nowadays also, if you are staying in home, you are working from home, so the atmosphere is not like office. The atmosphere is homely. Might be someone is shouting in another room, someone is watching TV, but we have to manage. We have to manage the atmosphere. We have to manage make up our mind, and we have to become very cool, and we have to play the both of the roles as a family member, as an office employee also parallel. So I would like to hand over to Alok, and please concentrate and do the activities whatever Alok sir is going to request you. Even also I am going to do. So and I am looking forward that we are going to learn a lot from Alok sir today. So thank you so much to all of you. Over to Alok.
Okay, and thank you, Shomok, and to introduce me. And not only myself, there is a Shomok is a longest tenure employee of PCS Global. He is in 6+ years in this organization. So and he also, I brought that person from a social media. I invent him from Delhi and bring to Kolkata and work with the 6+ years with me. And all of you are here because of the Shomak, and Shomak has connected with you. And also we have another very senior friends. Actually, Gaurav, you are there. Can you respond? Gaurav, are you there?
Yes, Alokji, I'm here.
Okay, Gaurav. And actually, why I am invited you, actually, today, this is the third session is happening. And actually, maximum of these team members who are present here, they are youngsters from engineering college in IEM college. They are from Keonjhar Government Engineering College. And many of them are working with us for digital marketer. And they are the backgrounds, they are playing the most crucial role for the company and for branding, for advertising, for everything. And you have also a really wonderful experience, and that is the reason I have invited you and to share your knowledge as well as also our programs also. Okay, so let me start, and I will hand over you in the right time. Actually, what is the inspiration of this program? And if anytime you are not able to hear, please Shomak be alert and inform me, and even in chat box. Okay, any problem if you face. Okay, first I want to share you this is an online meditation and breath, a small workshop and 45 minutes around workshop, and one commitment on appeal to all of you. Please stay up to last, do not leave in between, and actually you will not understand everything if you leave the things. And it is a one precious gift, and I again thank you all of you for giving and blessing me this your valuable time at such evening 9:30. And first, I want to share our Gurudev on big message. Life is very precious. It is important for everyone to know that life is far more valuable than all other things like profession, education, and relationship. All of you are students, and definitely you will be build up a professional career. You are all of you are educated BTech and engineering, MBA or BBA. And definitely a certain time we are human beings, we have a life cycle, and certain time a relationship will be built up, and that is life. But our life is more valuable beyond this, and we have to realize. Next message of Gurudev Ravi Shankar: if you find anyone depressed, and make sure you reach out and push them into doing yoga, kriya, and meditation. And it is an appeal to our Gurudev, to everybody. Okay, we should observe that, so that our near or dear anyone is not depressed or not in a good mood. Okay, so we can protect them. Next, I want to introduce myself, and I am attached with this organization in 10 years in Art of Living organization. And actually I have done Sudarshan Kriya, yoga, some things, but recent last week event, it's impacted to it touches every person in our country. Okay, such a young guy is a 34 years age, and such a he does not have any financial issue and anything, everything in his life, but something's at a moment that person take a decision. Okay, and it's a bad decision, a momentary decisions, and destroy a life, and entire country has mourned. And we do not expect a 34 years age a person should live such an incident way. And actually the things is, I decided actually we want to campaign like this, like a pulse polio, or when we were kids, okay, up to 3 years or 5 years, every year we have taken pulse polio immunization. Okay, and actually what is the current necessity in our time? We are passing through very tough time where we are not able to go to the physical places, we are not able to travel, and actually something beyond necessity is required. And actually what is the things required, and we need to Shomak, actually we have a one Google form is there. Okay, you can collect from also I can type also better. This is the Google form, they can fill up. Okay, everybody please click this form and Google form, and you can just fill up, you are attending this event, and that is enough. It is nothing just for a record the who are joined.
Okay, Alok.
The things is actually what is my belief and my expectation. We want to enter anyhow. We all are related to each other. Okay, we all are related. Entire all is one all family according to our Gurudev vision, and we need to take care everybody. And in this tough time, and this is all of you know, the 21st June is a popular for which date? Okay, can you respond anyone? 21st June, it's the that special day has been celebrated across the world. For which purpose? Anybody can respond?
International Yoga Divas.
Yes, International Yoga Day. And actually, do you know who was the primary influencer of this? Who was the initiator of this event?
Narendra Modi.
Yes, our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also spiritual master Sri Ravi Shankar. These are the two key primary persons has taken a decisions, and it's go to the Rashtrapunjab. And actually, the things is finally decisions came and few years back to inaugurate and to celebrate.
Look, I want to interrupt. This day in last year, 2019, I was in Andaman with 4 employees, and we was giving the skill development program. And on this yoga day, morning 6 o'clock, our team members, me, principal sir, all the HODs, teachers, and the students, from morning 6 to morning 8 o'clock, we did yoga in their auditorium. And we follow all the yoga international rules and regulations also. That was very good experience we had. So this time I hope so we can do it online.
Okay. One thing, Gaurav, you can ask Sanjit if he interested, he can also join, and such a good audience is a 40 plus, it's the highest audience. I am doing the intro talk. It's a, if Gaurav can, Sanjit can also join, that will be good. You can pass the Zoom ID to him. Okay. So first of all, this is a big initiative, and I want to tell some PPT slide to all of you. Let me start the. Shoma, screen is visible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, it is my responsibility to give my introduction to all of you. Myself, Alok, actually, I am from a remote village of Sundarban, and actually, I have a dream to be a trainer, teacher from my childhood. I am a son of a teacher also, and in profession, in company, everybody call me Alok. Alok means the light, and I am a graduated from Calcutta University and MCA from BIT Misra, and last 15 years I am in industry. And actually, as a passion, when I started training guidance when I was a final year of MCA, and it started 2004 onwards, and now it is a 2020. And I love to help youth, and for any career, for any personal help, I always try to help my level best, whatever possible from my end. And I am in a small incident I attached with the Art of Living organization. I want to tell a story how I attached with this organization. It was 2010. One day, actually, I was in 3 months very difficult, deliverable, tight schedule, and even not physically well also. One day, I gone to a canteen. Okay, I have time to go to outside door to take snacks. And suddenly I noticed one small advertisement, on very small advertisement, one senior Didi, actually her name is Sujola Roy, doing a Art of Living course, and she is also from IBM. I call her, I next meet her, and she told, actually, Alok, why you are so stressed? And actually, then I done a courses in 2010 December, and that was the beginning. And today, 10 years, it changes my life. I am a completely different person. And from that time, I started to enjoy IT sector a lot. So my life vision to bring a smile to every youth and mentorship them. And all of you are youngsters in PCS Global, mid-level management. All of you are marketing resource, many management resource here and technical resource. And this is the company I have just founded, and you are the person to carry on, and companies spreading step by step the entire across the India. But our name is the global, PCS Global. Definitely will go to the world. Next, and Art of Living organization. And to actually, what is this? Art of Living, and all of you are already familiar with some NGO. You have seen that during any natural disaster, any cyclone or any earthquake, some NGO, even from government, some NGO, they done some support for basic necessities during crisis. But during crisis, and human beings required more than that. And actually, that what is that? People become more stressed during any disaster, any natural disaster. And Art of Living is an organization. It does both type of support, and a spiritual and mental support, so that people can recover from stress and trauma from any disaster they impact. And who is the founder? Who is the icon of this biggest organization? Sri Ravi Shankar, and he is born in 1956 and Tamil Nadu, and he is the founder of this holy organization and biggest NGO in the world. And this is the persons, and unfortunate things when we are living, and he is also living, and he is the person, is a icon persons. Okay, and it is very easy to meet that person and to get guidance, support, and many things. And fortunately, in 2016, I got placed, I meet that persons, okay, and it changes my life. And I have faced lots of impact in my life, lots of changes, success also in my life. Okay. Next, come to the Art of Living, and today we are going to do something more beyond our Java technology or digital marketing, and something beyond that. And I want to run a small 2-minute video of Art of Living. You will get entire exposure about the Art of Living.
दोनों चीजें कर रहा हूँ बजी क्या मैं नहीं खोला हूँ
Okay, please keep in mute. Please keep in mute.
एक्चुअली इसी से मैंने दोनों से रिलेटेड है बजी एक में कुछ देख के उसमें टाइप कर रहा हूँ
If the nature of human beings is compassion, solidarity, and love, then why do people behave like this? Stress,
ओके चलो तो क्या बात
lack of proper education. Stress
हाँ ये ऊपर की तरह नहीं ऊपर में कितना नहीं पड़ता है ना
aggressive actions generate more violence.
ऊपर में तो
Like a
रिमोट
virus, violence infects the whole society. The first step to revert this process is to eliminate stress and negative impressions in people's minds. There is a simple and effective way to achieve this. The International Association for Human Values has developed programs based on breathing techniques, meditation, and education in human values. These techniques were created thousands of years ago, and they have been adapted to our times for the benefit of humankind. The objective is to learn how to solve internal and external conflicts, manage our emotions, and eliminate stress. Live life with enthusiasm and joy. Students, entrepreneurs, government officials, individuals deprived of freedom, people from all religions and walks of life have eliminated stress, insomnia, anxiety, and depression. They have felt a revitalization of their human values. Thousands of people who experience the positive effects of these programs have become leaders in their communities and work together towards the same goal, contributing to the peace and well-being of society. The International Association for Human Values and the Art of Living Foundation were created 30 years ago by Sri Ravi Shankar with a vision of achieving a disease-free body, a stress-free mind, and a violence-free society, the birthright of every human being.
Okay.
Hi, have you always wanted to learn to code?
Okay. Then what, all of you got an exposure, okay, of art of living in a nutshell? Yes or no? Can you respond?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
you
Yes,
got
sir.
a glimpse about this big organization. So what it actually does, it helps to maximize happiness. It helps us to for our health and immunity and cut down stress and anxiety. And if you ask me, sir, you are in 10 years, can you tell me in online story what is art of living to you? I want to tell that for me, art of living is three things. It teaches me dance, meditation, music. That means I am not a dancer. I never know how to dance. But if I go to art of living every occasions, okay, lots of things is happen. Okay, and every people dance. And meditation, it's such a things I never experienced. Meditation happens in automatically in art of living. And music, your life will be start in the morning to at the day when before going to sleep, entire your life will be like a music. Okay, and that is art of living. And actually what really happens inside, it creates a harmony in sound, in music, it creates a harmony in movement, in dance, and harmony in mind is meditation. At the end, harmony in life is a celebration. Our Gurudev told, everything manifests when you meditate. Actually, the moment you do meditate, your entire things become revealed. All of you know, every day we recharge our mobile every day, yes or no? We recharge our mobile, yes or no, every day?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you do where we take a brush in the morning to clean our teeth, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Every day we take bath also, but similarly every day in our body there is a things called mind. It takes some nurture. Okay, we have a mind or soul is there. We need to take some nurture for that. And if we do it for 10 minutes, your life, entire life will be smooth and easy go. Now I want to discuss about the what we are actually. We are, okay, even 30 years before, 40 years before, we do not have any existence in this earth. Today we are physically present. Even after 60 years or 90 years, there will be no existence about us. Okay, there will be no one with this name who are exist now. But what we are actually the first is our existence proof, our physical body. Second, the difference between the life and dead is the breath. Okay, a dead person do not have a breath. Third is everybody we have a good mind is there. The mind is there in everybody. That is the mind. Next is intellect. We are the best creation of the God, and we have some intellect. Okay, we can judge. Okay, whether it is good or bad, right or wrong. That judgment comes from intellect. Next is memory. Memory, actually, we have a short memory. That is the reason we can think about the future, we can think about the past, and we can think about the present. We can planning so many things, and we have a memory is a proof of our existence. Last is ego. Actually, we are a human being. Okay, we are not beyond angry. Everybody have some ego. Sometimes we cry, sometimes we happy, sometimes there is jealous, we feel jealous. Okay, it is common. But in our humans, ego is, you cannot required to be a zero, completely ego free. Ego is required, that is small amount which is required in a curry, salt is required in a curry. Okay. There's actually a very minimum ego is required, but actually that is a very minimum. So ego is an existence of human beings. And if we remove everything, all of you listen that, it's called human is a soul. Human is a nothing but a soul. If anybody dead, then it calls so rest in peace or rest of the soul. And actually, we are human being. In our every lifetime, we wear the new costume. Our body is like a costume, and after death, we change the costume. Again, a new costume comes. But then, what we are a soul or we are a self. Except soul, all other layers of our physical existence got impacted due to stress and strain, and sometimes we feel weaker, we are not feel fit. And actually this workshop today to make the harmonize, to get the knowledge how we can harmonize our 7 layers of existence. It's okay to all of you? You are able to understand? I am doing a little bit fast because of the, it is too night. All of you are waiting. You are hungry for dinner also. Okay, I'm trying to much more speed up. Okay, next come to our state of mind. Next we are coming to state of mind. Actually, if you notice in the top pictures, actually it is agitation. Some violence is there, and some. Then next picture there is a man and woman are quarreling. Third picture, you will notice that some are there is sorrow due to loss of someone. Okay, they're crying. Another last 2 pictures, you will notice that people are doing meditation in a place and it's very good in party mood. Actually, this is our state. Sometimes you are happy, sometimes you are very good mood. But the things is, what we should learn here in this slide. Actually, you can think all of you are a student of MBA or BCA or BTech students. There are lots of semester paper there. Lots of teachers are also there. But is there any dedicated teacher who is providing you the life skill training? Okay, entire your tenure in college. Okay, is there any teacher in your life skill training in the entire all semesters? Yes or no? Do you have any teacher?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No. Actually, the things is today all of you are students or freshers. The moment you will go to the professional pressure, sometimes pressure is so high, demand is so high. Okay, you will be not able to take the pressure, and that is the reason some people take the very bad decision in moment and lost their lives. Actually, the things is, even our parents tell, okay, don't be angry, don't say bad language to others, but actually nothing can persist. Actually, the things is, neither in school nor at home, we have not learned these skills. And here in Art of Living, it teaches the strategy and actually how we can keep the balance of our state of our mind. Okay. Next, we want to discuss about the prana. Actually, what is the prana? Prana all of you will notice someday you are very good mood, someday you are very bad mood, someday you are tired. Okay, actually notice that your energy level difference in different day. Even if it is weather is not good, it is a rainy weather, your mood becomes bad. The things is a prana is a life force is there, and actually from prana a pranayama words come. Okay, all of you are familiar with the prana yoga like this, but how we can increase our prana, that is the reason we learn some life skills so that we can increase our prana every day, like a recharge of battery, and similarly we will recharge our body and just applying 10 to 15 minutes in the 24 hours anytime. Okay. So, and also here this picture, actually, if we sometimes in your semester break, with your parents, with your friends, you try to go to some place like Millennium Park or any Puri or Gangtok or any natural place. Why? Because those are the places of the natural beauty. Not only that, it is a full of prana, it is a full of natural force. Okay, and we become much more fresh. And similarly, if we do some activities also, and our prana will be increased every day. Next, I want to come to what is our mind. Actually, our mind is everything. If we able to balance our mind, that will be balance everything. But the nature of mind, actually, it is a monkey nature. Monkey nature, actually, even sometimes someone told that actually your parents or guardian, they told, even speed of our mind is more than light also. Okay, light speed is 1,86,000 miles per second, but even our mind is more faster than that. And we are not a yogis. Okay, we cannot control our mind, but the things, our mind always past and future, it rotate. Actually, the things is, we can do some activities so that mind becomes spontaneous rest, and then mind will be powerful. And I want to tell a story here. The things is, mind and body is different. What is the difference? If in our body, if we do regular exercise, our body and muscle will be powerful, and body required much more exercise to make body fit. But our mind required the opposite. Mind, how much you will give your relaxation of your mind will be powerful. The day you entire day you are busy, and your mind will be much more tired. The mind and body are the opposite. Mind requires relaxation, and body requires regular exercise to keep fit. Okay, are you enjoying it, or you are feeling bored?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Next we'll come to actually the question is that why nowadays, even in this lockdown, and all spiritual organizations, they are promoting, okay, do meditation. Even I am in TCS, even inside in TCS, lots of meditation activities happening. Earlier it happened, but nobody take care. But now TCS actually taking the initiative. Every associates, every professional in TCS, they will undergo some meditation practice because of the things. Otherwise, people will get sick, tired, everything. You are an asset of an organization. If you do not do digital marketing, if you do not do work, okay, our company will be destroyed. Company is nothing like you are the asset. So what is meditation? And we have a lots of wrong concept about the meditation. So we are going to target 5 misconceptions about the meditation. First myth is meditation, we thought it is a concentration. Actually, it is completely wrong. We are not a yogis, we are not Loknath Baba, we are not a Ramakrishna Dev. We cannot control our mind. We are a very ordinary persons. So if for our Gurudev visions, meditation is a deconcentration. Like if you go to bypass, you will notice the lots of car is coming. And if you think, compare with your thoughts are coming, and you let go, then the meditation will happen automatically. Okay, meditation is deconcentration of the mind. Next, we thought meditation is a religious practice. We thought meditation is religious. Okay, and generally what earlier experience, I want to share a story with you. In 2008, even before my marriage, I have traveled lots of holy places like Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, and some tourist places also. But what is my experience? I feel too much irritated in Haridwar. Why? Here and there, lots of idol, and everywhere is a business, no faith, nothing, no worship. Actually, it is the money factory. Even sometimes the way of taking their money, that approach is very bad. Okay, business, but business is a very bad approach. I feel irritated to go to any holy places. Actually, the day when I come to Art of Living, even at the first picture I have shown you, that Art of Living is in entire 5,000 people can do meditate, but there I have not seen any idol there. Humans are idol, human becomes worship. So meditation does not have any religion. Okay, but every religion have some spiritual practice there. Okay, but meditation does not any religion. So it is okay. That is also one myth. Next is, always we thought we are youngsters, you are just doing MBA, or all of you are doing BTech and from Keonjhar Government Engineering College. Why these things required at this age of 20 to 23? This is because you are going to start your life. Actually, why this is, I want to tell the story. Actually, if it is anything fundamental is not good, upbringing is not good, okay, you will face lots of problem in your professional career. Okay, and because there is a professional hazards are waiting for you. Okay, whether you will or not will, you have to face it. And meditation is actually not for all people. If you think of our parents, grandparents, yes, they have done some spiritual practice when they reaches to 50, 60 years age, and then they start Hare Krishna, and that. But we are youngsters. If our life is full of lots of demands, okay, lots of expectation, demands, okay, and many things. Our lives are more complex than our parents or grandparents. So how will balance? To balance it, actually meditation is required. Now even old people do not require meditation. Okay, and now youngsters require the meditation to balance and get fulfill of the life. Next is meditation, we thought a thought control. Not at all. It is, we are not a yogi. We are actually what we have to enjoy everything. Okay, we will enjoy everything, the best of the best. So that is the purpose of the meditation. Okay. And last is the meditation is a way of running away of problems. It is one of the topmost misconcept about the meditation. Actually, you will notice if you go to Puri or if you go to any holy place, what you will notice? Your aged person, they are giving worship to God and praying that God, okay, so that they will face the less problem in their life. They are praying that God will be, okay, help them so that they will face less medical issue or any financial issue. Okay, for that reason, they are praying the God. But meditation is not that. Actually, meditation will build you. Life will be our, what is our life? Our life will be one after our challenge will come. Okay, we have to fight with the lots of, today we are the 22, we will face the lots of our family member medical issue, lots of hazard, even lots of natural disaster, anything will become unexpected way. Meditation will give you the power to fight with that. That is the reason we will do the meditation. Okay, all of you are able to understand the myths of the meditation, why, what are the wrong concept of meditation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now I want to introduce one of my good colleague, and is a Gaurav is there, and most probably Sanjit is also there. The Gaurav, I want to introduce you. Gaurav is
I think Gaurav left the
Gaurav left. Sanjit, you are there.
Yeah, I'm here. Gaurav, I think.
Sanjit, actually, I want to introduce you. And Sanjit is my Art of Living VTP partner, and all we are doing working together. And Sanjit has a business also. He is leading a business with, and he is leading a huge manpower also. And beyond it, is a very junior age. He's doing good things for society also, and creating employment in the country, even in rural, in district level in West Bengal. And I welcome to Sanjit. Can you share your story? How this involvement with the Art of Living organization, it helps you to build a big business, and lots of, because many of youngsters there, they are also thinking to entrepreneur also. Even one day they will be an entrepreneur inside a company also. So Sanjit, please share your thoughts.
Okay, thank you, Alok, for inviting me, and thank you. Hello, everyone. So, how is life? So,
Hi,
I think,
sir.
yeah, okay, fine. Thing is
Hello,
that,
sir.
okay, hi. Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Sanjit Devnath. I'm from Kolkata, Tollygunj, and I did my graduation from Kolkata Goenka College and did my MBA from ISBM. And after that, I being an entrepreneur. So my passion, my vision, my mission is totally in entrepreneurship journey. So I started my journey in the year 2001 with a very critical situation from my family background. Okay, after that I started and going on. Then in the year 2015, I had a very tough time with my business. I owned a company, I owned a private limited company, and after that I have to shut down my company due to some issue. Okay, after that I have already invested 1 crore and above in that company. I have to shut down, and after that I was totally depressed, frustrated, and my life was in a hell in that position. I was even planned. I don't know how to get rid of this situation. Then with the depression, with the anxiety, with the stress level, then I really come into bed. I have a very health issue on that time. I have a huge health issue, so I was hospitalized twice in the year 2016. I was suffering from a very tough disease called Barrett esophagus. This is a minor stage of cancer, you can say, in that time. So I don't know how to go ahead with my life with this from this critical situation. Then when I hospitalized last in the year 2016, then I took a challenge that I will be no more in this hospital. I'll be no more come into this hospital anymore. So I took a challenge. I'll take care of my health. I'll take health as my first priority, Before that, I used to run for business. I have to go. I have to just run for money and all. So I don't have to. I don't take care of my health and all. That at that time before 2016, my wealth, my money, my business is my main priority, and keeping health or family is as my second or third priority. So after that, after the challenge, then I started doing research on health and all. So I went to YouTube and all, and lot of channels and looking how to overcome this health and how to do. Then I suddenly I gone through yoga, pranayama, meditation in YouTube and I started doing this. Then in the year 2017, that I can relate, I can remember that day. That is on 17 November 2017. One of my friends, he already told me for a few years to go for this art of living course, that is a happiness course. So I went through this happiness course on 2017. Then on that day, it really, that fourth day of art of living has really changed my life. I feel that day I feel as a rebirth of me, rebirth of Sanjit Devnath, I feel. So from that very day, I started doing. In Art of Living Happiness program, what you get a very, you can say, magical technique. You come to know a very magical technique, that is Sudarshan Kriya. Sudarshan Kriya is worldly renowned is worldly renowned and accepted all over the world. This Kriya, this technique, and person, the people who get this Sudarshan Kriya, I will say they are very lucky, and it's very few people have this opportunity to have this Sudarshan Kriya, because God grace or Guru's grace or whatever grace, until and unless you get the grace, you will not get this Sudarshan Kriya. Because you may think to go join, because it took 7 years to, because that friends told me for the last 6 to 7 years to go for this art of living, and only gave a follow-up. I just procrastinated. I just postponed. Yes, I'll do. Then after that, when the day when I joined, I feel why not before that 7 years I joined this program, because I regret till now I regret for the 7 years. So after joining this art of living, so going on practicing this sadhanas and all this Sudarshan Kriya. It's a 40 minutes sadhana in the morning. Then after that, after doing that, if you are interested, you can go for advanced course, DSN course. There are a lot of courses. There are 55 courses programs in art of living. So after this sadhana and all, I come to discover myself as a new one. It's really I feel a new Sanjit has born inside me. So I'm totally changing. All my bad habits are getting wiped out, and all good habits, I started adopting good habits and all. So I feel before this art of living, the way I do business, and after this art of living, the way I do business is completely different. I feel that now business and doing any job is becoming so easy, because when you do practice, practice this Sudarshan Kriya in the morning, you are so energetic, you are so stress free, your anxiety, your depression, your frustration totally wipe out from your life. The person who does meditation is never frustrated in life. I can remember one quote from Gautam Buddha. He says, one of the disciples, one of the persons tells him, ask him, Buddha, he asked Buddha, what you have gained from this meditation? What you have gained from this meditation? He said that I have not gained anything from meditation, but I have lost a lot of things from meditation. Do you know what I have lost? Buddha said, I have lost frustration, depression, anxiety, fear of death. These things I have totally lost. So what more you want to lose? If you do the Sudarshan Kriya, if you do meditation, I think this thing will wipe out from your life. And person who are stress free, who are anxiety free, who are frustration free, I think they are the most happiest person in the world. And I feel this the person who are into happy art of living, or does Sudarshan Kriya every day, they are the most happiest person in the world, and there is no substitute of it. So after that, as I told, after doing before Art of Living, after my business strategy is totally complete. Now I am really I'm very thankful to God to that I am running a family of 80 people, because 80 employee are under me, and I am aiming for 1,000 employee, because year after year I'm just going on increasing my employee, because I believe to give feed for 1,000 employee. I don't say that I will earn this much, I will have this car and this bungalow and all. I don't know, but I feel happiness in increasing to giving empowerment of employment in the society. So I like this. And the happiness, I have seen all forms of happiness. I have seen happiness in every way, in doing business, in roaming all over the world, in having bungalow, car, everything and all, and also going to any discos, pubs, and everything. I have seen happiness in all these forms. But when you do Sudarshan Kriya, when you do meditation, you will see the ultimate happiness is in Sudarshan Kriya, in meditation. Because the person who have the taste of it, they can enjoy they can have the bliss of the taste. They will know what is meditation. And there is already this, Alok sir, as I already told you, the myth. Because don't think that the meditation is for old age. Meditation is not for old age. Meditation is for everyone. Everyone can do it, and it's a very easy and simple way. And when you do this 3-day 4-day course of 2 hours, that you can do it in online from your home also. So when you do this, no, you can just after practicing, you feel that what the way your life is changing. If you're into job, if you're a student, if you're in any field, your life becomes so smooth, you can't imagine that. And there are a lot of kriyas in the morning in the Sudarshan Kriya. There are a lot of stages, pranayam and all. So after that, you become so energetic, and that full day you will do work with very energy and all. So today I am 2 that's November, from till now it's 2.5 years, or 2 years, 8 months running. So from that day till now, I have not touched a single medicine. Can you imagine this? I have not touched a single medicine, and before that I have to eat a bunch of medicine and all. So this, I don't know, this God grace, I overcome everything from my life. I overcome this health, overcome from a bad health position. My wealth also, I was in a very bad position also. That also I have overcome and all. So this meditation, this Sudarshan Kriya will keep you mentally, physically, spiritually happy. And do you know what is the definition of success? As everybody wants success. You want success, no? Hello? Everyone wants success. Can you say? Are you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Everybody wants success. I also want success. So I feel the definition of success is wealth, health, and happiness. These three combines a success. Don't think that having good health or good wealth, having a bungalow, having a Mercedes, having a BMW and all this Honda City, that he is a successful man. But you can see his mental position. After you can see his family condition, there might be a lot of problem in family. There are a lot of mental issue in his. He is not a successful man. Successful, I'll say, the man who is he's a successful man when he complies, when he have the combination of these three: wealth, health, and happiness. Wealth, everybody is going for wealth. Everybody is planning to earn from job, from business and all. But health fitness will come from yoga, pranayama, meditation, and also from gym. But yoga, pranayama, meditation is the easiest form to build your health. You don't have to go to gym and all. Just you need a mat position, position where you can sit and do pranayama, yoga, and meditation also. So and these things, wealth, and the third one is happiness. So how the happiness comes? Happiness comes from your state of mind. When your state of mind is happy, then you are happy. And how this happiness comes? This happiness comes from meditation. The person who does meditation are 100% happy. And I'll say to each and everyone, just go through it and have a taste of this program. from there is a lot of program from 25th from 25th. There is a program of 4 days of 2 hours, and you can do it online. So, and you should go for this program. Just have a test, and the course fee is very nominal. When you go to any pizza, any Domino's pizza or any restaurant, that much you spend that much amount. So this you're spending the amount on that day on a very 2 hours or 3 hours. And if you spend it's a course fees of only 1,200, and if you just go through it, you will get a asset, you will get a magical tools which you can utilize throughout your life. You don't have to pay again and again. Just one time you get, and you will have the practice throughout the life, and you will get a blissful and magical life, I will say. Thank you, Alok, for giving me the opportunity to call me as a guest, and I'm really thankful to each and everyone for participating this program. Okay.
And thank you, Sanjit. And I will appeal you to, if it is possible, you can stay. Do not leave. You can stay up in. And okay. And then now, actually, what we want to do very short things. I want to take some time. We have got so many good knowledge from Sanjit also. And actually, the things is purpose of this discussion is how we can gain our health, wealth, and happiness in our life. And that is a Sudarshan Kriya that is a supportive, and it is a good tool. Okay, and I want to take it because we are little bit tired of hearing lots of knowledge, but we want to take some relaxation in mind. And actually, I want to discuss about the 10 minutes. I want to give a commitment from all of you, and just a 10 minutes commitment, very short. And so please follow the instruction what I will tell you, and you actually need to do the close your eyes, and I will tell that why we are closing your eyes. Okay, and 10 minutes appeal, and please follow my instructions. And in 10 minutes, upcoming 10 minutes, we will keep remember 3 things. We will keep remember only 3 things. Okay, what are the first 3 things? And while we will close our eyes, you will keep 3 things in your mind. First things, like few minutes ago we discussed, we need health, we need happiness, we need wealth. But upcoming 10 minutes, we will keep 3 things in mind. I do not want anything. I do not expect anything. I do not want anything. Okay, I want nothing. Next point need to remember. Rule number 2, I am doing nothing. I am doing nothing. Rule number 3, I am nothing. Actually, why this point? In millions people have come to this earth, and millions of millions people will leave this earth, and you need to keep remember, actually, I am nothing in this such a vast world. And so an appeal to all of you, and just you keep your eyes closed, and please follow my instruction, and please stay up to last, and you will get some value. Okay. Okay, let's start, and we will do very fast also, so that it is right. And in appeal to all of you, stay with me. So what we will do, let us sit easily and comfortably, and wherever you are, you just close your eyes. Please close your eyes. Next, I hope all of you have closed your eyes. Next, take a deep breath in. So take a deep breath in, and let's go. Again take a deep breath in, and let's go. Now, closing your eyes, try to listen to the noise around you. Noise of ceiling fan, noise of AC, or surrounding, any noise. Okay. If you are in silent place, still any noise, try to feel. Accept all noise, be in harmony with the environment. Accept all noise, be in harmony with the environment. Next, take a deep breath in and let go. Take a deep breath in and let go. Now, all of you try to aware about your physical body. and we will move different parts of the body. We will bring our mind to different parts of the body. Our body is a beautiful gift to you by nature or God, and we will respect and honor your body from the core of the heart. Now, move your mind to your feet. Next, move your mind to legs. Try to feel any irritation, anything's happening in your legs. Now, move your mind to genitals. Now, move your mind to abdomen. Move your mind to stomach area. Please move your mind to stomach area. Now move your mind to armpit, both arms, to concentrate your mind. Now move your mind to your face. Okay, visualize, closing your eyes, try to visualize your face. Move your mind to your head area. Now think about from head to toe, entire body. Move your mind to head to feet. Now take a deep breath in and let go. Become aware of your thoughts. What are the thoughts are coming? It's a positive thought or bad thoughts or harmony with them. Don't resist your thoughts. Whatever coming, accept it. Okay, please do not leave. Please stay few minutes. It's an appeal to all of you. Do not resist the thoughts. Let them come. Now you are in a harmony with your thoughts. Now take a deep breath in and let go.
Give me. You giving me.
Okay. Whether good thoughts or bad thoughts, and do not resist the thoughts, let them come. Now take a deep breath in again and let go. You are a peace, you are the joy. Be aware about feelings happening now. Be aware about thoughts is happening in your mind. Be aware about what are the sensation happening in your body. Okay. Become aware about the environment. Now take a deep breath in and let go. Now very slowly and gradually at your own speed, open your eyes. Now all of you are allowed to open your eyes. Okay. Okay. Now can anyone at least share your experience? Anything happens in these 5-10 minutes?
Sir, my head is calm, more calm and more appropriate to take any steps or do work.
Okay, so I done very fast because all of you are hungry and it's too late, but till I appeal only few or 5 minutes to you. Okay, and now Shonjit Timnath actually he has discussed a lot about the Sudarshan Kriya. but we do not have much more time, and it's tonight, and we want to discuss in a nutshell. The first I want to tell what is Sudarshan Kriya benefits. First, it's reduced stress, it improves health and well-being, it's with more energy, strengthen immune system, reduce cholesterol levels. It's the mental benefits like greater creativity, greater clarity of mind, improve sleeps, enhance brain function, improve ability to manage and challenging the situations. But we all are physiologically and psychologically are well because we are a very young age, but till so that nothing can touch in our lifetime, it helps actually to relieve depression and anxiety. It will never touch your entire life. So better actually, we want to, all of you are a little bit stressed, we want to open a video, one small video, and to get a glimpse about the Sudarshan Kriya, a very interesting video. Please watch this video. Okay. Okay, please watch this video. Good. Okay, it is a sounds good. Hello, all of you are
Yes,
there?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it's
Yes,
a, in a minute we got the some exposure, visual expression, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So I want to tell, actually, definitely everybody's are from the core of the heart interested. Who is the big person in behind this magic or miracle? Actually, in everybody, we have heard about the Swami Vivekananda or lots of great person in our history, and lots of monks also. But in our life, we never able to meet this type of big person in our lifetime. Believe me, trust me, there are some good persons are there in our lifetime when we are living, and we can get them as a mentor of our life. Okay, and I told you always a technical mentor required in your lifetime. You have to pass the lots of hazard and cyclone in your life. Some spiritual mentor is required. So try to follow, all of you, some social pages of these persons. Okay, Sri Ravi Shankar in Facebook, in Twitter, in LinkedIn, Instagram, and actually you can ask, sir, what will be my benefits? Okay, if you like this LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, what will be your benefits? Is there any benefits genuine? I want to tell you, when you have joined in PCS Global, many of you have got this information in LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is a world largest university, virtual university. Every day I learn something from LinkedIn. If you in the morning, if you got a good message from Ravi Shankar ji and it's a live message, which I have seen you at the beginning before going to start presentation, collected from LinkedIn to you. So will it be benefit or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we all are in IT, we all are in the power industry, and you are the upcoming manager, or you are MBA, you are a manager. So actually, if you want to be a good manager, you need to be good knowledgeable. And that is the reason, please like these social media pages of Ravi Shankar ji. Next. Okay, now in entire Corona, actually it changes everybody's life. Everything has been changed in the entire world. Even in Art of Living, earlier meditation, some shibir or some place, physical place arranged, and people go and do the meditation. But in Bharat now, everything is happening in virtually. And there is lots of benefit. Benefits means you can get the more better flavor. Even it was beyond imagination. I am sitting in the corner of a room. I am connecting with all of you in the virtual world. So if you do meditation, some things from your room, and you can get equal and more better benefits, because you are not required to travel, you are not required to expense much more money, and there are lots of benefits is happening. And that is the reason, please, if possible, do a meditation and breathing workshop in this period when we are staying in home. And you can ask, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Only things will happen, you will live your best in life. We are different lives, okay? And this life, when you are alive, you will get the best in your life. And it has been experienced by millions of people and 450 million people in the world. And there are, yes, you can ask some courses. Yes, there is some virtual courses happening across the country. And what I told you, why these things? Because every person, every individual person in the country, 135 crore people should do meditation in our country. Why? We do not want to expect any young lives will be lost. If a 60, 70 years person got dead, okay, no regret. Okay, it's better. They make the empty pot another new person. But we do not want to lose a single individual young generation. And that is the reason meditation will be implemented is like a polio vaccine. Okay, everybody should feel in their lives, okay, there is something can make their best of the life. And that is the reason you will do a courses of Art of Living. Okay, and then how is the other information? Yes, all of you are in IT sector, you are BTech or MBA, and even I am in working IT sector. I have seen lots of professional, okay, manager, those who have done MBA, those are the project manager, they are also doing Art of Living courses, and even they are the trainer. And this is the courses. Devarati madam is also a Art of Living teacher, is a project manager, and myself also doing assisting her. Okay. So this is the lots of courses happening. Any information you require, any support required, please come to me. I am with you. Okay, not only Java knowledge. I can help you some others area also. Next, you can ask, okay, sir, when should we do Art of Living course, or I will wait? It is better to wait or never not to do it. Okay, because it is why will do it this. The question is, when should I do any Art of Living course or never at all? First, learn the knowledge, enter world, 156 countries and 10,000 Art of Living center and 450 million lives touch this experience. And so far, actually, I have met thousands of people in our country who have done Art of Living courses. But one thing I have noticed that each and everybody, the one regret and repent to all of them. Okay, actually including myself, I also thought, okay, I regret. Why should I not been blessed to join Art of Living few years ago? Why so many years wasted in my life in vain? And many more countless repent I have seen in my own eyes, drop of watering eyes and smile together from the core of the heart to gratitude and enlightened master in our lifetime in Art of Living. Is a most iconic person in the world, is presence in our country. He is born by our soil. Why should I not meet this big person? And please give a gift to you, yourself, and live your best in this life. and don't miss this opportunity anyway. When master is alive in our time, you just need to take one step, and rest God will connect with you with the master of enlightenment. And that's all to all of you, and I give my sincere gratitude to all of you, and I sincere thanks to all of you and for blessing me to give this wonderful opportunity and to share my knowledge to all of you, and hope God will bless you. Thank you to all of you. And Sanjit,
Yes.
and you will stay after that. I'll do some discussion with you.
Okay, 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 okay.
Okay. So
Okay, thank you,
all of
Alok, and thank you to.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And Alok, sir.
Yes,
Any
yes.
questions? You can feel free to ask questions because it.
Sir, I am Manan Ranjan Chakravarti. Sir,
Yes.
I have done this course previously, The Art of Living, from my previous college.
Okay.
And it has been a great experience for me doing this course for a span of 10 days. And what I've experienced previously is that before the start of this program, prior to this program, 4 to 5 days, I have had vegetarian food throughout 2 weeks of time, and I have done this kriya that you have told all of us, and it has been a huge influence to my physical body and to my mental stress. I have got through a good exposure of these things, and I really like that course, and will say all of my friends to have this course and to get exposed up by this course and enjoy the beauty of meditating. Thank you all.
Can you repeat your name? Your name, Manam Ranjan.
My name is Manan Ranjan Chakravarti.
Okay.
Alok, he's from first year IEM,
Yes, I am.
and he's a very conversing person. He brought more 5 students with him, and he usually work in team.
Okay.
So the point which I've observed and the way of approach he is having, all of them are having very good. The students, those are attending sessions under us in digital marketing, they all are very genius. If you follow the group, their creativity is very high, productivity level is very high, and they are very serious about all, whatever. You see the whole day today, I hope so they have given their exam, they have attended their webinar, they are attending now in 11 o'clock, they are attending our sessions. We can see about 44 students are there in this session.
Yes.
So they are very much attentive. So I will say thanks to all of you that you have taken this initiative. Now we can have parallelly these meditation sessions in future also.
Okay. And Manan Ranjan, really, I am really very highly delighted that you are the living example in this group, that you are as a participant, but you have done these courses, and I really we feel fortunate for your presence and sharing your experience with fellow of the students or freshers. And
Yes, sir.
everybody.
Basically, sir, I have done it not only once, but I have done it ample of times, because here in Art of Living, what they told us that we have to register this for just for the first time, and we are free to do it again and again.
Yes.
As long as we want to.
In lifetime, it is an opportunity.
Yes, sir, exactly. So I am very privileged to be a part of this program.
Thank you, Manan. Okay, and do a good work with the Shomak sir also. And one good thing, this is a one organization. Last 2 days initiative in PCS Global, across all associates, they have got this gifted flavor of Art of Living. All associates have attended the day, and that is a wonderful initiative. More than 100 people. Associates.
Look, I want to interrupt you. I request each and everyone to have the taste of it. Just have the taste of it. Then you feel a huge difference in your life.
Thank you. And Sanjit, okay, how much experience? Okay, and even among participants, there is who have done multiple time courses.
Okay. Oh, great.
Sir, this is Udit Roy, sir. I have a question, sir.
Yes. Come to work. And someone is asking question at the beginning. Okay, feel free to ask any questions. We are here to give you the answer.
Sir, in yogic culture, the body is divided into 3 parts: Ida, Pingla, and Shushumna Nadi. So I am asking a question that how to balance the three nadis by breathing technique, because I have come to know by reading that if we control the three nadis, then we have a better control over our mind. We can focus more. In a nutshell, we can increase.
Okay, and there is a solution is in do the practice one. It's a very favorite. It's called Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, and Nadi Shodhan Pranayam it brings a well balance between the three nadis, Ida, Pingala, and Sushama. And I will ask the Sanjit, you are there. You can also you are more. You have done more courses also in from Art of Living. You can share your some knowledge to them.
As you said, that Nadi Shodhan pranayama is such a pranayama which balance your body, which balance your each and every cell of your body. So Nadi Shodhan pranayama is the best way to balance these three nadis, I think. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Anybody of other any of you any more question? Okay, it is a very nice discussion and well presents, and we do not want to much more waiting. Okay, and it's a wonderful. I thought that it's a 1 point. Okay, we started 9:30 and it's close to 11. And from the core of my heart, okay, I want to see all of you are established and well established and be a good professional, and don't miss this opportunity during this period from your home, any flavor of the Art of Living courses. Even Guruji, Ravi Shankarji, every day at 12 p.m., at 7 p.m., 12 a.m. and 7 p.m., doing the guided meditation, enter all, few millions of people are doing together. Okay, do it. That's sufficient. That's all. And you do Google also. What about the don't believe in our words? You do Google, all of you are intelligent and okay, beloved professionals, you do Google and you search about the Sudarshan Kriya. And it's a history proof, it's science proof. Doctors are doing it, lawyers are doing it. Why should we not do it? And it is a God gift. We need to utilize it. Okay. And thank you. We are closing the session today. And I respect my sincere thanks to all of you. And Shomak, really, you are the icon person. You have arranged these organizations. I have done just play the role, but you are everything.
Thank you so much,
Sanjeev,
Alok.
for your
Thank you,
It's all
Alok.
about your visions we are following. Thank you so much to Sanjeev also.
We will
Thank you,
invite
Alok and the entire team. Okay.
We will
Thank
invite
you so
Sanjit
much.
also to our office also. Sanjit, okay, when lockdown will overcome.
And such a level of enthusiasm at 11 o'clock, there are 30 people are just still in the program. Oh, it's really.
Thank you so much to all of you, and I'll say Jai Gurudev to all of you.
Okay,
Good
Jai
night.
Gurudev. Good night.
Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Jai Gurudev. Good night.
Jai Gurudev, sir. Thank you, sir.
Jai Gurudev. Good night.
Good night,
Okay,
sir.
Alok, thank you so much. Good night.
Okay, thank you. We can leave.
Alok, then I'm leaving this meeting room.
Okay.
I'm going to sit with Iman madam now.
Okay. And
okay,
Iman has
okay,
also
bye.
got good success, and also I'll take a few minutes call to you after this. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Some good discussion. I have taken another initiative.
Yes,
Okay. What you are
Give me
expecting?
a normal call. Definitely, I will discuss.
Yes. Okay.
Might be you will get waiting, but I will accept.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you to all of you.
Okay.
হ্যালো সঞ্জিত, 1 মিনিট। হ্যাঁ 1 মিনিট টাইম নিচ্ছে, মানে আমি সারপ্রাইজ করতাম না, আমার দেখাচ্ছে গুগল ফর্মে ডাটা আসছে 58 টোটাল এই সন্ধ্যাবেলাতে। গুগল ফর্মে ডাটা আসছে। হুম। হ্যাঁ হুম হুম হুম। আচ্ছা হুম হুম। না অ্যাকচুয়ালি এই যে যাদেরকে, এদেরকে কাউকে আমি চিনি না, মানে কাউকে ফিজিক্যালি দেখিনি, তার কারণ হুম। হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ। হুম। ও এটা এতে আমাদের সাইট থেকে নেওয়া বলে। আর ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ছবিটা দেখাবো না বলছো তো? আচ্ছা 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 আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে সেটা তো হুম হুম। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে, গুড 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 সাজেশন, গুড সাজেশন। আর ওভারঅল এমনিতে মডুলেশনটা কিছুটা ভালো হয়েছে তো? হুম 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 হুম। ওকে। হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ। আচ্ছা তুমি মানে এটা করতে হবে যে মেকিং ভিডিও অনটা, এটা তো বলতে হবে, না বললে ওরা নাম, আমি তো বলিনি ব্যাপারটা, এবার আমরা যদি গাইডলাইনটা দিয়ে দিই। হুম, সেটা ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু ব্যাপারটা আছে অনেক অনেক আশা। হুম 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 গুড। হুম। হ্যাঁ মানে আমি হুম 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 হুম। ভিডিও হলে আমি বুঝতেও পারবো অডিয়েন্স ফিলিংস এর কথা। গুড, সব ফিডব্যাক দিয়েছে এখানে সব। আচ্ছা, তার মানে এটা দেখো আমি ভাবতে পারিনি অ্যাট এ মোমেন্ট এই দুদিনে হচ্ছে আমার অর্গানাইজেশন, এবং শুধু অর্গানাইজেশন, আজকে আমি বিকেলবেলা যে সেশনটা করেছিলাম তখন 20 জন, মানে আমি ওই এতে কিছু আদার্স মিডিয়াতে পোস্ট করেছিলাম, সেখান থেকে লোক চলে এসেছিল, মানে সন্ধ্যাবেলা ওই যে তখন করলো তখন 20 ক্রস করে 20 হয়ে গেছে। এখন তো তোমার এইটা টোটাল 44। আর আজকে মোটা, আর আমার অফিসের টোটাল মানে এমন কেউ, আর আমি এই পালস পোলিও টিকার কথা বলছি না, মানে কেউ আর বাদ পড়েনি, মানে সবাইকেই আর কি ফ্লেভারটা দেয়, সবাইকে এর মধ্যে নিয়ে আসা গেছে আর কি। ঠিক আছে এখন দেখা যায়। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, না না দেখো তোমার এই যেমন এখন বলাটা আরো আরো ভালো হয়েছে, এখন বলাটা ভালো হয়েছে আরো। অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার যেটা মনে হয় ওদের এই সুদর্শন কিয়া স্লাইড, আমাদের যেমন পঞ্চকোষার পরে আমি তোমাকে আজকে যেটা বলেছি, এটা যদি আমি তোমাকে যা সুদর্শনটা স্লাইডে পরে ঢোকাতাম খুব ভালো হতো আমার মনে হয়েছে। কারণ উম, হম, যাই হোক আমি দেখো এটা করতে করতে আমরা টিউন হয়ে যাবো। হুম, দেখো এটা এটা দুজনের লার্নিং, তোমারও লার্নিং আমারও লার্নিং, ওকে, ইট ইজ এ রিয়েলি মানে হুম 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 হুম, হুম। দেখো আমি এটা তো একটা বড়, আমি যে 100 জন আমার কাছে, আমার যেটা প্রবলেম হয়েছে তোমাকে বলি, এমনকি আমার পাশের আরেকটা ফ্ল্যাট, কালকে তো আমি একটা ফ্ল্যাটের সব কেটে দিয়েছি, দিয়ে ওরা সঙ্গে সঙ্গে রেজিস্ট্রেশন করেছে রাতে। আজকে আমাকে আরেকটা ফ্ল্যাটে ওরা বলে রেখেছিল, অনেকটা তুমি কি সব মেডিটেশন টেশন বলছো, আমাদের একটু করা, আমাদের হাজবেন্ডের আমি বলেছিল কাল কাজে করা। আজকে আমি এদের এদের টাইমটা শিডিউলটা চেঞ্জ হলে করতে পারিনি। আরো কয়েকজনকে আছে তাদেরকে রেজিস্ট্রেশনের জন্য আজকে বলবো, মানে সেটা আর আমি করবো। ঠিক আছে, মানে এরা সব এর আগে হয়ে যাবে। যাই হোক, ইট ইজ এ, মানে দেখো আগেও আমি একবার করেছিলাম ভিটিপি, আই ওয়াজ নট এবল টু, মানে এতটা। এবারে যখন হলো অলরেডি ইটস ক্রসেস মোর দ্যান 100। ওকে, ইট ইজ এ আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ভেরি গুড ভেরি গুড। না, আমার একটা জিনিস জানা ছিল না, আমি এটা ভুল করেছি আজকে। আমি মানে আই এম ডান মিস্টেক্স, আমি যেটা জানতাম না আজকে আমি এই জন্য শুরু করলাম। আমি পতঞ্জলি সূত্র আমি আগে মানে কখনো বা আমি জানতাম না এটা পতঞ্জলি সূত্র, আমি শুনেছি কিন্তু আমি পতঞ্জলি সূত্রটা ভালোভাবে মানে শুনতাম না। আজকে আমার মানে এটা আমার মিস্টেক্স, বাট আই উইল নট ডু এনি মিস্টেক্স, আই লার্ন এভরিডে। পতঞ্জলি যোগ সূত্র আমি খুব একটা ফলো করি না, মানে করিনি, এটা আমার আমি মানে। তুমি কিভাবে মানে বইটা কি পড়ছো, বইটা কি নিয়েছো, মানে পদ্মশ্রী বইটা কি কিনেছো? আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, তাই? আচ্ছা, ওকে। তুমি একটা জিনিস করতে পারো, আমি আজকে ইউটিউবে সার্চ করছিলাম, যদি তুমি হয় পরে তোমার যদি কোনো থাকে গাইড টাইপ করে যদি শেয়ার করতে পারো, ওকে, আমি তার তোমার থেকে কিছু ফ্লেভার নেবো। আর তাছাড়া ওগুলো আমি নেটে আমি দেখি যদি খুঁজে পেয়ে যাই সবগুলো, ওকে, আই উইল স্টার্ট ইট। দেখো মানে তোমাকে আজ বলি, শোনো, আজকের আমার একটা মিরাকেল আমি তোমাকে বলি। আমি আজকে যে সিচুয়েশন, মানে আমি তো মানে সব রিদিমের মতো হচ্ছে, মানে আমার এদিকে আজকের আমি এত কিছু করতে পেরেছি একটা কারণ, আমি কালকের আমি অফিসে ছুটি দিয়ে দিয়েছি, বুঝতে পারছো? যে আমি দেখলাম যে আমি মানে জীবনে, দেখো এই এই দিনটার জন্য অনেকদিন ওয়েট করছিলাম, সাডেনলি হঠাৎ করে আমি ডিসিশন নিলাম যে এটা অভিজিৎদার সঙ্গেও হঠাৎ করে আমার গত সোমবার মানে রাত্রেবেলা পোস্টারটা অভিজিৎদার দেখেছি, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে ডিসিশন নিয়েছি, করছি। এবং এরকম একটা অপরচুনিটি আমি বললাম যে আমার ভিটিভিতে এই অপরচুনিটি আমার আগে কোনোদিন আসেনি। সো আমি কালকে যেই সঙ্গে সঙ্গে ছুটির জন্য অ্যাপ্লাই করি, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে সেটা অ্যাপ্রুভ হয়ে গেছে। আমি আজকে সারাদিন আর আমি মানে আমার কোনো বিশেষ কাজের দিকে কিছু করতে হয়নি, আমার লোকজন এবং অলরেডি তারা সব অটো পাইলট মোডে কাজও করছে। ইট ইজ এ, মানে আমার আজকের আমি সাবমিট করেছি 2:59, 3টে সময় টাইম দিয়েছিল না অভিজিৎদা, আমি 2:59 সাবমিট করেছি টাইমিংটা। ওকে, ঠিক। এবং এদের সবাই ডাটা এসছে, আমি যেটা করব এদেরকে এরপরে আরো আমার ওভারঅল যে নেটওয়ার্ক, আমি মানে আমি এতটা টাইম আমি রিচ করতেও পারিনি, বাট আমি নেক্সট আস্তে আস্তে সবাইকে করবো। আর আমার ভাই মুভমেন্টে আছে, আমার এতগুলো প্রফেশনাল কলিগ আছে, আমি মাত্র 4-5 জনকে ফোন করতে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, হুম, আমার তো অ্যাকচুয়ালি দেখো আমার অর্গানাইজিং এর এক্সপিরিয়েন্স তো রয়েছে, কারণ আমি বেসিক্যালি আমি তো বুঝতে পারছি আমি প্রত্যেক সপ্তাহে আমি করি, মানে আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি টেকনিক্যাল ছেলেদেরকে ক্যারিয়ার স্টার্টআপের জন্য মেন্টরশিপ করি। আমার লিঙ্কডইনে আমার 3খানা জুমের অ্যাকাউন্ট আছে, 3টে জুমের অ্যাকাউন্ট আমার অবশ্যই 3টে জুমের অ্যাকাউন্ট, গুগল মিট, ওয়েবেক্স সবকটা মিলিয়ে রয়েছে আর কি, পুরো সেইভাবে তো চলছে। বাট টিল আই নিড টু লার্ন সো মেনি থিংস। আমি আমাকে ব্রেকআউটে শিখে দেবো, আমি ওটা সেদিন সার্চ করছিলাম, ব্রেকআউটটা আমার শিখে নিতে হবে, কারণ ব্রেকআউটটা খুব দরকার আমাকে। চলো, গুড নাইট। আজকে কালকে তাড়াতাড়ি উঠতে হবে, ওকে। আর আমি আরেকটা জিনিস ডিসিশন নিয়ে নিলাম, আমি একটু আগে আমাকে, আমি তোমাকে বলি, another changes in my life I decided this 17 ওকে আমাতে আমিও এরপরে একটা কমপ্লিট ভেজ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, আমাকে বাড়ির জন্য পে করতে হতো একটা, ওই মানে আমি তো আমি লাস্ট 10 বছরে আমি আমার কি হয় ফ্যামিলিতে পেয়েছিল, তা নাও আই রিয়েলাইজ দো ক্যান বি জানা, বাট দ্যাট ডান। সো এই উইকটা মানে আমার কাছে চেঞ্জের উইক আছে লাইফে, মানে পুরো রিজুভেনেট হয়ে গেল। তা আজকে তো করতে পারি না, আজকে আসলে এই যে পিপিটিটা রেডি করা হয়েছে, কালকে থেকে রেডি হচ্ছে। ঠিক আছে, আমি দুটো করে ফেলবো, তুমি দেখো ওটাও থাকবে এটাও থাকবে।